Y'all deserve to know that. So I did it. It happens. And oh, I was so hurt. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Y'all, this is slay. Y'all, this real cute. This is cute. I just wanted to say a few things about this wig before I send you to the demo, which is going to be short, sweet, to the point, because this is a very easy slay, y'all. I'm going to be showing you a couple things that you can do if you want to take your customization to the next level. I'm just showing you some very easy customizations, you guys, that will help you along your way. Tap your neighbor on the shoulder and say, way. See, because you can wear certain wigs right out the package, just cut the lace, bam, put it on. But if you want to experience increase, you see, tap your neighbor on the shoulder and say increase. There are certain things that you have to do. You have to apply the process to your wigs, in order to reap. Somebody say reap. The benefits that you so desire. See, you cannot simply expect, great things to happen upon your wig if you are not, give it to me, Holy Ghost, willing to put forth the effort to make the changes in the wig so that the wig can be shook up and pressed down and run it over like you so desire. People don't know that. Y'all, for real, y'all, let me give you the details on this hair real quick. So I got this wig from Amazon, y'all. This is from Sensational Butta Lace line. This is unit 15. And this is their chocolate color. This is one of my favorite colors when I buy their units. I'm probably going to get a natural, either a 1B or a 2, and this color. I just love this color in all of their wigs. So I like it because it gives you the pizzazz that highlights give you, but it's a nice chocolate pizzazz. You know what I'm saying? It gives you that nice, subtle ignorant on top of ignorant. Sometimes I like to be just flat out ignorant on top of ignorant.
I don't want any subtleties in it.
I didn't order it and I won't accept it. But sometimes I like for my ignorant on top of ignorant to be egg on top of egg. You know what I'm saying? Like a classy ignorant. You know what I'm saying? I be wanting classy ignorant sometimes. So yes, this on Amazon, this wig comes in a variety of colors. So you know the price is going to reflect as the colors change. I really wanted to get on and say that because a lot of times, a lot of these wigs that I wear, depending on the color, that's how the price is going to be reflected. So I've kind of come back on speaking on the price so much. I can tell you the price of mine in this particular color right now, it's $41.86. Those prices are always subject to change though, guys. So if you want this wig for this price, you better go ahead and get it right now. And by the time y'all see this, it could be $57. I don't know. It could be $32. I don't know. You just have to go on and do your due diligence and look to see if the price is right for you. Okay. Like $41.86 is the color that I have, but if you get 1B, it's $36.76. So, you know, it just depends on what you trying to go with. Let me put up this video right here. This young lady right here is why I bought this wig. Okay, she completely killed. Now she uses some different products than what I use. You know, I kind of went with my staple products, what I do to tint my lace and all that stuff, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I don't really change products, but I do get inspired, y'all. Sometimes I'll be on YouTube, and when you wear a lot of hairstyles, it's hard to, I'm not lying, y'all. It's hard to get inspired when you do this day after day after day because you've seen so much, you've worn so much. But she did it. I saw it and I was like, yo, she killed. And I like to give my flowers. Some YouTubers don't like to do that. I'm not one of them people. I like to give flowers because why? There's enough room for everybody Period. Check out her video. If you do, make sure you let her know that I sent you over there. Now, I just wanted to let you guys know that this hair is so full. Let me tell you something else too. This is another big reason why I wanted to get on here. Y'all know I work with a lot of human hair wigs. I work with human hair wigs 75% of the time, maybe even 80% of the time, y'all. So I totally forgot that this was not a human hair wig, y'all. This is synthetic. You know how sometimes you get wigs and that little bump, you know, they got that little hump right there. This one wasn't bad. It wasn't like super humped up, but I wanted to be ignorant on top of ignorant, like I said. So I wanted to take my hot comb to it. Now, I don't know if y'all know I know a lot of you guys have gotten this hot comb. This is my favorite hot comb ever. I love this hot comb, but y'all, it goes up to 500 degrees. Like, seriously, I would never use that on my own natural hair, but my wig's gonna get this work. You hear me? Totally forgot.
This is not a human hair wig, Mary.
I'm sitting here doing the hair, watching People's Court. It totally slipped my mind. Mary, hello. Don't jack up the temperature. Because you can still hot comb synthetic hair. Keep it somewhere around 200, 250, 3 in some cases. This one did good with 3. When I do mine with my human hair wigs, I jack it up. It's all the way up. Bam. So I had it on 500, y'all. When I tell you this side right here, you can't tell. That's how nice this wig is. You can't even tell. This is rock hard right here because it melted. You will see it, y'all. I'm not going to edit that stuff out. I want to share those mess ups. I want to share that so you see what happens. So y'all don't do it, okay? Do as I say and not as I do. Baby, when I saw that hair melt upon my hot comb, oh, I was so hurt. Y'all, I had to tell myself I've had way more good days than bad days in this wig game because, y'all, I was so mad at myself. Like, girl, hello, what are you get out of Judge Million's face and pay attention to what you doing. I was so upset, but the case was real good today. So I was like trying to determine how, because I like to do stuff like that. I'm like, okay, I think Judge Million is probably going to do this because by law, such and such and such and such. Like, yeah, I used to want to be a lawyer, so I studied it a lot. So I was right too. She ruled how I thought she was gonna rule for the reason why I thought she was gonna rule. So yeah, I'm just saying. But anyways, that's why I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. And bam, she melted upon my hot comb. And y'all, it's so hard right here. Y'all can't tell because she looked fabulous. But yeah. I had to come on and explain that. I can't leave y'all like that wondering, hey, Mary, did you know a whole bunch of that hair just melted? I couldn't just show y'all that and not explain it. Y'all deserved an explanation. You really did. It was shenanigans. I should have been paying attention and I wasn't. And y'all deserve to know that. Y'all deserve to know that. So I did it. It happens. But the wig is still a baddie and I'm going to have it on all day. Bing, bam, boom, yada, yada, yada. So never G-I-V-E-U-P and keep your H-E-A-D-U-P. So yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all, this wig is bad. I love it. I did not disturb these curls, you guys. And you'll see, like, if there were curls that were kind of fluffy because of me manipulating the wig or my ring catching the hair, I would just take a little bit of mousse and just run it down that particular curl. Not this whole wig, y'all. Leave the curls alone. This is real cute like it is. It's real cute like it is. Don't run your... fight the urge, y'all. Because I know you get the urge because I get the urge. Fight the urge to take your wide tooth comb and run it through this wig and make this big, ignorant, and flowy. Fight it, okay? We keeping this wig defined, okay? And if anybody is like me, you know what I'm talking about. It's just an urge, either to comb through a curly wig with your wide tooth comb or to cut the wig into a bob. Those are the urges that I have to fight sometimes in this wig game. Just fight it because it's cute like this. It's cute. I just had to tell y'all that, okay? All right, y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Also, hit that thumbs up. Why? Because it helps other people find this video. And if it was helpful for you and entertaining for you, maybe it would be helpful and entertaining for other people. And you would have been the one to bring them here. It takes a village. You and I. Yeah, we in this together. All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.
Butta.